Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook Mediterranean style salmon. For the ingredients, you will need salmon, asparagus, baby corns, and tomatoes. First of all, you need to pour some vegetable oil on top of the pan. Then throw all the ingredients in it. Pan fry for a while, then sprinkle salt and pepper on top. Pour a little soy sauce on top of the asparagus. As you can see, the cooked part turned pale. Then flip the salmon over, make the other side of the salmon crispy and golden as well. And meanwhile, don't forget to move around your vegetables. I brushed the oil on the salmon to keep the moisture inside of them. It's ready to serve. I like the color combination of this plate, and it looks very healthy to me. The salmon flakes really easily when you cook it well, and it still have the rosy inside, and it tastes like butter because you didn't overcook it. So bon appetit!